Welcome back to Moto Craze. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Yamaha TW200, one of the most distinctive and reliable dual-sport motorcycles in its class. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your off-road journey, the TW200 continues to prove why it's a fan favorite with a cult-like following. The 2025 model doesn't stray far from its iconic roots, keeping the timeless silhouette that blends a retro aesthetic with rugged practicality. You still get those fat, all-terrain tires that give the TW200 its unmistakable stance, ideal for gripping loose surfaces, sand, or rough trails. The glossy blue and white paint scheme for this year adds a fresh, eye-catching look that pops in any environment, especially under showroom lights or out on the trail. Moving to the exterior, Yamaha has retained the minimalist, functional design with a compact frame, round halogen headlight, and classic analog gauges that give you everything you need without clutter. The high-mounted front fender, exposed rear mono shock, and tough steel frame all signal one thing: durability. The bike weighs in at around 278 pounds, making it easy to handle for riders of all sizes and skill levels. Under the seat, the TW200 is powered by a proven 196cc air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. It's not built for blazing highway speeds, but it excels in low-end torque and smooth power delivery, making it a perfect companion for trail riding, commuting, and even some light adventure touring. Top speed hovers around 65 to 70 miles per hour, but its strength lies in low-speed control and off-road capability. Features like electric start, a 5-speed transmission, and long travel suspension make it both approachable and capable. It's a motorcycle that welcomes beginners but continues to be enjoyed by veteran riders who value simplicity, reliability, and fun. As for pricing, the 2025 Yamaha TW200 remains incredibly affordable. Yamaha has kept the price competitive, with the MSRP sitting just under $5,000. That's an excellent value for a bike that needs very little maintenance and can handle a surprising variety of terrain with confidence. In review, the 2025 TW200 isn't flashy or loaded with tech, but that's exactly its charm. It's honest, dependable, and built to ride. Whether you're hitting forest trails, cruising city streets, or just want a bike that's easy to live with, the TW200 continues to deliver. This is Moto Craze. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next review.